everyone. My name is Kreena Dodhia and I am from Magic Institute of Excellence. I would truly like to appreciate the knowledge and expertise provided by each of the trainers and the study material provided by Magic Institute of Excellence. The dedication of trainers in providing real-world insights and practical examples have enhanced my understanding regarding investment banking, hedge fund and financial modeling. The tasks and assignments assigned during the sessions are really helpful as it helped me to gain theoretical as well as practical knowledge regarding the concepts. The session conducted on digital communication was truly amazing as it helped me to keep in mind those things which are important for online interviews. I would truly like to thank all the trainers and overall team of Magic Institute of Excellence for providing such a great course as the real life examples have made the session informative as well as memorable. Thank you.